What's up everyone? Minto from Jasmine Software here. In today's video, we're going to talk about custom sign forms. Custom sign forms are forms you can create for your patients to sign. They allow you to create any form you need for your patients, and these are in addition to the standard sign forms already in Jasmine, like the physician evaluation, informed consent, privacy policy, etc. The current difference between the standard and custom sign forms is the standard sign forms can be sent with your intake form package, and custom sign forms are sent individually. To create your custom sign forms, you'll want to go to the Configuration Center, and to do that, you'll want to click on the App Launcher. Search for Configuration Center, it'll pop up and you can click on it. On the Configuration Center, you'll then want to click on the Custom Form Configuration tab. Here on the Custom Form Configuration tab, we'll see a table of your current custom forms. And to create a new custom form, you'll click on the New button. Here you can put in any title you want. We'll put in COVID screening. And in the text, we'll just add in one that I've already pre-written out. You'll notice that there's some special characters here. These are what we call merge fields. And when your patients see the actual form, these will be, in this case, checkboxes. There are a couple of other merge fields that you have access to in the forms. So now that we've entered in our title and our text, we can save the form, and you'll see the form show up on the table. Now, if you want to just look at the text of the form, you can click on the icon here, and this will show you what the form looks like. You can also edit the form. And finally, you can delete the form if you want to. Now that we've created our custom sign form, we can go to a contact and send the form to him or her. To do that, we'll click on the Contacts tab up here. In our case, we'll choose Anton. And to send the sign form, we'll click the Send Intake button up here. And instead of choosing intake, we'll select sign forms, and our sign forms will show up in this list. You'll notice that the last two at the bottom here are the custom sign forms. We'll choose the one that we just created, the COVID screening, and we'll click send. Now that the sign form has been sent to Anton, he can open it up in his email, and he'll have a link to the sign form with the password to log in. So here I've loaded the link we sent to Anton for the custom sign form. I'll enter in the password that we sent him in the email as well. Click the Go button. And here is the custom sign form COVID screening that we created and we sent over to Anton. So you'll notice that the merge fields now show up as checkboxes, and we have the complete text that we entered, and as well we have areas for the patient or Anton to enter his name and sign. And then he can finish the form, which will then get sent into your Jasmine system, and you can then view it from there and have it stored safely in the system. Now, back in Jasmine, after your patient has signed the custom sign form, we can look at the sign form in the patient's contact details. On Anton's contact, we'll go to the Related tab. We'll scroll down to Notes and Attachments and click on the COVID screening that they just signed. And here we see the COVID screening form with the form filled in and signed, and you have that kept safe in Jasmine for you. To recap, we went over how you can configure your custom sign forms. If that was helpful, share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and hit the bell to get notified when new videos are posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.